Show the sound. Phonemic awareness for beginning readers from Reading Recipe. Remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Words are made of sounds. Today you'll show where those sounds are. If you hear the first or beginning sound in a word, touch your head. If you hear the middle sound, put your hands on your waist. And if you hear the last or ending sound, touch your toes. Let's practice. This is a cat. The word cat has 3 sounds. K, a, t. The first or beginning sound is k. To show the k sound in cat, touch your head. The last or ending sound in cat is t. Show that t is the ending sound by touching your toes. The middle sound you hear in the word cat is a, k, at. So put your hands on your waist. Time to show what you know. Sad. Show where the s sound is in the word sad. If it is the beginning sound, touch your head. The middle sound, touch your waist. Ending sound, touch your toes. S is the beginning sound in sad. Did you touch your head? This is a coat. K, oat. Show where the k is in the word coat. K is the beginning sound in coat. I hope you touched your head. This is a mug. M, g. Show where you hear the g sound in mug. G is the ending sound in the word mug. Did you touch your toes? Coat. K, oat. Show where the t sound is in coat. T is the ending sound in coat. Bag. B, a, g. Show where the a sound is in bag. A is the middle sound. Did you touch your waist? Box. B, a, x. Show where x is in the word box. X is the ending sound in box. Web. W, e, b. Show where w is in the word web. W is the beginning sound in web. Jeep. J, e, p. Show where the e sound is in the word Jeep. E is the middle sound. Box. B, a, x. Show where the a sound is in box. A is the middle sound. Phone. F, o, n. Show where the f sound is in phone. F is the beginning sound. Fish. F, I, sh. Show where the sh is in the word fish. Sh is the ending sound in fish. Lime. L, I, m. Show where the m sound is in the word lime. M is the ending sound in lime. Boot. B-oo-t. Show where the oo sound is in the word boot. Oo is the middle sound in boot. Run. R-a-n. Show where the r sound is in the word run. R is the beginning sound in run.
The end.